Convert year/month/day to day of year in Python. I'm using the datetime module, i.e. and I would like to compute the day of year that takes leap years into account. E.g. today, March 6, 2009, is the 65th day of 2009. I see two options. Create a number _of days in month equals the 31, 28, ... array, decide if it's a leap year and manually sum up the days. Use datetime.time delta to make a guess and then binary search for the correct day of the year. These both feel pretty clunky and I have a gut feeling that there's a more Pythonic way of calculating the day of the year. Any ideas/suggestions?
You could use datetime with a %j format string. But if you wish to do comparisons or calculations with this number, you would have to convert it to int, because datetime returns a string. If that is the case, you are better off using Dzinx's answer.
Use datetime.timetable to convert your datetime object to a time.struct_time object, then get its tm_id property.
Dzinx's answer is a great answer for the question. I found this question and used Dzinx's answer while looking for the inverse function, convert dates with the Julian day of year into the date times. I found this to work. Or numerically. Or with fractional one-base dates popular in some domains. I'm not sure of etiquette around here, but I thought a pointer to the inverse functionality might be useful for others like me.
I want to present performance of different approaches on Python 3.4, Linux x64. Excerpt from Line Profiler. So most efficient is